My friend's multitasking tool, knife, everything, whatever. Show me, bro. Well, oh, man. I see a beer opener. I see another can opener.
Screwdriver with nuts on it too, right? See the hex nuts. Then on this side,
Now,
there's a knife. Another can opener. It's a Phillips screwdriver.
holy smokes.
And a file and another screwdriver head.
Tried to lock you in a jail cell with that.
I know, I'll be taking it apart. That's a nice one though, eh?
Oh, close it up. What's it look like from close? Oh my god, let me take a quick peek. Oh man. From that to all that. Scissors. What else was there?
Vice grip, like a little vice grip.
Vice grips.
Wire strippers. And
Screwdriver.
couple can openers, beer can openers,
Oh my god.
hex wrench, Phillips screwdriver, saw, file.
And look, I have small hands. Like, I don't have big hands. Look at that. Like, I smack somebody, that would just make it deadlier. But we're not violent, folks. We're just showing off my buddy from the KGB. He's in the Russian secret agency. But he has all the hidden stuff. Much love, AKG.
Yes, buddy.
Take care, man. Much love.